Hi, this is Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston off Daniel Island, and today I'm going to take you through one of our newest arrivals. This is a 2023 Scout 195 Sport Dorado. This boat is available, shown in the crystal blue hull color. This is a great boat for Charleston, very versatile, very sporty, and very comfortable, especially up in the bow. Forward we have a bow cushion with optional removable backrests, chase lounges on either side, with storage beneath the seats and behind the backrest. Acrylic windshield on both consoles with stainless steel grab rails. Bimini top. We've got a 9-inch Garmin at the dash. We'll enter the boat here shortly. Coming around to the transom, we've got trim tabs on this boat. Port side swim platform with a ladder. Ski tow bar as part of the center stern seat option, shown with the backrest folded down. Now making our way up inside. So we've got full beam seating on this particular model. This center seat can remove, which gives you easy access to the boat's bilge area. Backrests and combing bolsters wrap all the way around from the rear seats. Plenty of rod holders along the back. 9-inch touchscreen from Garmin. Fusion Bluetooth stereo. Battery switch. LED indicators for those trim tabs. Digital gauges for our Yamaha tachometers. Got a glove box here that's lockable. Storage beneath both seats. These are drained and finished, so you can use them as cooler boxes. And then we've got glove box style storage in the backrests. Big bow cushion forward. Again, this removes. Big casting platform here with storage beneath. You've got additional rod holder cup holders up in the bow. And then your anchor locker located up front. That is a walkthrough of Scout's 195 Sport Dorado. Again, this boat is available. It's located at MarineMax Charleston, which is at 142 Sportsman Island Drive off Daniel Island. Take exit 23A off Highway 526 with a big yellow building right off the highway. Be sure to give us a call at 843-747-1889. And you can always check us out online at marinemax.com. Again, I'm Carl Anderson, and thanks for watching.